NASDAQ this week has lost its value, and we can see the price was forming decision candles for the 3 days, and then on a Tuesday something has happened. We have a gap here on the price, where the price was trying to reach high price levels, then returning back down, forming a strong large wick on the lower side, and on a Friday the price is returning all the way back down, which means selling pressure is still active here on the market, which was pushing the price down. And this strong bearish candle that has formed on the chart engulfs pretty much all the candles in the last 2 weeks. Weekly time frame shows us it is a bearish engulfing candle formed here. On the weekly time frame, we can see it completely engulfs the weekly candle here, which means a pretty strong selling pressure has right here entered into the market. What we can expect for the next week? We are currently in the strong bullish trend. Then we have a bearish momentum that has pushed the price in this attempt here, and then the price has continued to rise in value, but again has experienced this strong bearish momentum right here at this area of resistance at 25,833, which has pushed the price down. So I'm expecting that there is high probability that the price will continue to lose its value, reaching the lower levels, which means around this area 24,900, which means on the daily time frame it is 24,900 right here where the open and close of these price levels are. So this is the target for the next week, what I can see right now on the chart. After that I will see what happens. Will the price close the day below this area of support, which means a daily candle closing right down below this area, which will indicate further decline in value. But for now we have a bearish breakout below 25,290.81, which is indicating further decline, where the next stop is 25,000, and I mentioned potentially a wick can go all the way to 24,900 as a round number. So I'm much more inclined to see the price reaching lower levels, at least slightly down, and after that I will see what happens. What is the market showing, what are the candles are showing, and also what is the strength of the bulls and the bears. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.